Easter's this Sunday, and like most Americans, the first thing that I think of when I think of Easter is pastel colors and rabbits. And the resurrection of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So, Easter cocktails, what do? Well, two of them are going to have egg white in it, and the third one's called a corpse reviver, and you get it. We're going to start with the Ramos Gin Fizz. You'll need gin, simple syrup, heavy cream, freshly squeezed lemon juice, freshly squeezed lime juice, some orange essence, an egg white, and some club soda. So first you're going to take your egg white and add it to your shaker. Then you're going to take 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of heavy cream, lemon juice, and lime juice, 3 dashes of your orange essence. You're going to take that and do a reverse dry shake, which is when you shake it with ice for about 20 seconds, strain it into the other side of your shaker, dump the ice, and then shake it with no ice for another 20 seconds to make sure the drink is frothy. You're going to pour that into your glass, take some club soda, get the residual froth out, and pour it on top of the drink. All right, so yeah, this is the Ramos Gin Fizz. You can kind of see how fizzy it is on top. It's kind of almost the same color. Anyway, Lauren's back to try this one out. Come on in. We're wearing different clothes this time. That's how you know it's a different night. Try that.
Got milk? Do I have the mustache?
Shut up. Yes, you have the mustache. What does it taste like?
It's really good. I need another sip. Sorry, the first one was just it sort of tastes pineapple-y, but I think that's actually lemon that I'm
there's
tasting,
zero
right?
pineapple in this. There's none.
Well, it's good, and maybe it's just reminding me of a pina colada because it's got the foam.
Mm-hmm.
It's really tasty. I really like it. Tastes just like Easter.
You're
the
so
Easter
full of
You know those lemon bars that have like powdered sugar
Yes.
and the shortcake at the bottom? It kind of reminds me of that, but like more refreshing, cool, yummy.
All right, awesome, thanks.
Thank you, Matt.
I'm gonna try it. Got milk?
Are you gonna use my line?
No. I kind of get what Lauren was saying with the whole lemon bar thing, but it's really like kind of that juniper-y floweriness from the gin that's kind of popping through. So it's that floral aspect to it with the lemon's really good. You don't really taste the lime. The egg is really just for consistency. Like you've got like a really good, like look at that. That looks, but yeah, so it's good consistency. It's fun. It's a solid egg white cocktail. Sick. So for the Corpse Reviver number 2, the ingredients are absinthe, dry gin, Lillet Blanc, orange liqueur, and then freshly squeezed lemon juice. You're going to start with an absinthe rinse, which is just putting a little bit of absinthe into your glass and swirling it around so it coats the entire glass. Then you're going to take equal parts of your gin, Lillet Blanc, orange liqueur, and lemon juice, and then shake that up until it's nice and cold, then strain it into the absinthe rinsed glass. So yeah, here's the Corpse Reviver, and I'm going to have my friend Roman come and try it. Roman, come up. Come on.
Hello.
You can grab that.
Alrighty, the Corpse Reviver, just what I need.
Taller than him.
Okay, definitely very alcoholic.
Mm-hmm.
It does give spring vibes. I don't know if that's because of the taste or because of the color. Let me take another sip. Definitely licorice vibes.
Licorice.
It tastes like when you have that black licorice like jelly bean, that's exactly what it tastes like. But the drink itself has other flavors in there to where it doesn't just taste like a straight, licorice alcohol or anything like that. Like there's definitely more to it than just that. Yeah, but I would say that basically sums up the drink.
Perfect. Give me that. Oh, I love that. That's so good. Yeah, so at the front, I get a lot more of the acid, and then once I get to like the middle towards the end of the flavor, that's when I get that wormwood licorice taste. It definitely is kind of on the bitter side, but like that good side. Like you feel it in the top of the mouth. It's super bright. It's actually a super deep flavor, which I think is rad, even though it's like a gin drink. You don't really taste the gin, which I think is kind of a shame, but you do taste most of the Cointreau, and the honeyness of the Lillet Blanc is nice. I do like this. This is a lot of alcohol, so one of these definitely enough, but it's rad. That's it. That's my ending note is that it's rad. For the Amaretto Sour, you're going to need amaretto, bourbon, simple syrup, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and an egg white. First, you're going to put the egg white into your shaker. Then you're going to add 1.5 ounces of amaretto, 3/4 of an ounce of your bourbon, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of simple syrup. And then you're going to do the reverse dry shake again, and then you're going to garnish it with a lemon twist and some cherries. We got a whiskey sour. Back up, my friend Sarah. This one's a bit sweeter. All right.
I'm very excited for this one.
Mm-hmm. You can take that off if you want. Don't be weird about it. You're being weird about it. Just drink.
Why would you say that to me?
Let him hold it. He'll hold it like a gentleman.
All right, we're gonna do that again.
No, we're not. It's all one solid take. What do you taste?
Like, I taste almonds.
You taste almonds. What does it remind you of? What's the vibe?
I don't know. It's like frothy. It's fun. I would drink this.
Okay.
I would order this.
You would order.
What foods are you thinking of?
What month does it remind you of?
This feels like
Color.
a November.
A November drink.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. My turn.
Jesus Christ.
She's a professional. Yeah, so as she said, it's very kind of almondy on the front. That's the amaretto. With most sours, it's the acid from the lemon juice and also the sweetness from the simple syrup kind of mask that alcohol texture that you feel when you drink. You know, that burning sensation. So it's very smooth. The frothiness is always fun, which is why I always recommend getting it with the egg white. You can get it without the egg white. It's going to taste the exact same, but like it's just better with it. It looks cooler. It feels cooler. Just get it with that. You've got a lemon twist. You got a cherry that I have luckily been left here, so I get to eat it. It's a good cocktail. I missed. Bucket! Anyway, guys, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm sorry that nothing was thrown at me in the intro like normal. I just didn't really feel comfortable catching eggs because I felt like they'd break on me. Share this, please.